Okay, what the hell was that? Something big just jumped in the water. Like big, like a beaver or something. Not like a rodent. Something as big as a beaver or bigger. It's not on the top of the water. It's gone. It's not on the top of the water. You can tell it made bubbles here and waves when I first started this video. There's a bunch of little fish here. Did I just hear something? Maybe I'm just crazy hearing stuff. And I'm sure that came from up here, down in the water. Oh, it's a little slippery there. On this. I'm pretty sure that was a beaver. It's that log right there, the middle is like chewed up. Like beaver chewed it up. I want to go over there and grab it, but the beaver might get mad, come back up. Stand up here. Maybe I can see it from up here. Oh. I can't see nothing. Bunch of little minnows over here. There's a plastic bag in the water there. I'll go get that in a minute. That was probably a fish. Oh, there's a small bass over there in the water. Not too small though. Most of them in the water here, they're like this big, an inch or two. And it wasn't far from me. I was sitting on that big log. And it came in the water right by this. I'm gonna look at this log, see if there's any beaver bites in it. Yeah, that was a beaver. I don't know what else it was. Jumped in the water and went under. Because I heard a little splash and I looked over here. And then it fell in or jumped into the water. Because it like took a step and then jumped in. It was pretty deep here. I could jump off. If I jumped far enough. Alright. I'll hop down now. I'm like 95% sure that was a beaver. Whoa, look at that big old bass right there. That's a keeper. Too bad I don't got my rod over here. Swim around right there. I want to go get my rod, but I want to see what that was. Whatever, it's hard to get over there anyway. I'm sure that was a beaver. Oh yeah, a plastic bag. Okay, I'm gonna hold on here. That's insanely slippery. What the? Oh, I was wondering where the hell that log went. That log definitely has beaver bites in it. There's a nice sized bass right there in the water. As soon as I step in, it's gonna go away. Yep, see it? Swimming away. Told you. Whoa, that's a lot deeper than I thought here. That plastic bag's like like 5 feet deep. I'm not gonna go swimming, so. But it jumped in the water. That's slippery. It jumped in the water right here. That's a beaver stick. And then that's a beaver stick behind there that it was chewing on, I'm assuming. Because that was in the water when it jumped. Should have started this video sooner, probably. Alright, well, I'm going back over here to go fish. Ow! God, I just hit myself. Hit my heel on that. Branch sticking out of this log. Alright. Wow. Something in the water there. I don't know what it is. It's man-made. Ow, sharp rock. God. Look at this one. That's cool. There's a bunch of lines in it. It's different colors. Whoa, look at that. Big line to it. It's a cool rock. I'm not keeping it. Yeah. Big bass will see this. Oh, it's over there. I mean, it's not big, but pretty good size one. I'm just gonna go around in the water. Around this big log. Oh, these rocks are slippery. Okay. A lot deeper than I thought. I'm not going around anymore. It's really deep. I have to go like waist deep to go around. There's fish rising right there. Oh, there's a bee over here somewhere. No, it's a wasp. Bees aren't bad, wasps are. Alright.